নমস্কাৰ প্ৰিয় দৰ্শক চাইছে ডিডি অসম মই নবিশ আজিৰ এই অনুষ্ঠানৰ আন ধৰোতা কাৰিয়াৰক লৈ সকলো চিন্তিত হৈ থাকে নহয় জানো কাৰণ সঠিক যেতিয়া কাৰিয়াৰ আপুনি বাছনি কৰি ল'ব জীৱনটো তেনেই সফল হৈ পৰে আৰু সহজ হৈ পৰে আৰু সেই কামনা কৰোঁ আমি সকলোৱে আৰু একেটা কামনা আমাৰো যাতে আপোনালোকৰ জীৱনটো সুমধুৰ হৈ পৰে আৰু আজিৰ এই অনুষ্ঠানটোলে আপোনাক স্বাগতম জনাও আজিৰ অনুষ্ঠানৰ বিষয় হ'ল কোম্পানী সেক্ৰেটাৰী আৰু ইয়াৰ ভূমিকা লগতে এই যিসমূহ সুযোগ লৈ আনে জীৱনত তাৰ বিষয়ে আমি আজি আলোচনা কৰিম কোম্পানী সেক্ৰেটাৰী এণ্ড ইটছ ইম্পৰ্টেন্স এণ্ড প্ৰমিনেন্স এণ্ড অপৰচুনিটিজ ইন ইণ্ডিয়া এণ্ড নৰ্থ ইষ্ট ইণ্ডিয়া ইন পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ আৰু সেই বিষয়ে আজি আমি আমন্ত্ৰণ জনাইছোঁ ষ্টুডিঅ'ত আমাৰ বিশেষ আমন্ত্ৰিত অতিথি আৰু আপোনালোকৰ জ্ঞাতাৰ্থে জনাওঁ যে আজিৰ এই অনুষ্ঠানত আমন্ত্ৰিত অতিথিৰ সুবিধাৰ্থে আমি অতিথিৰ সহায়ৰ বাবে আমি এই অনুষ্ঠানটো সজাই তুলিছোঁ দ্বিভাষিক কৰি তুলিছোঁ হিন্দী আৰু ইংৰাজী ভাষা আমি ভাষাৰ মাধ্যম হিচাপে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিম And now, ladies and gentlemen, it takes us immense pleasure and privilege in inviting onto this particular studio. We welcome, first of all, C.S. Pradeep Sharma, who is chairman of the Northeast chapter of ICSI and practicing company secretary. We welcome you to the show. Aapka swagat hai hamare is कार्यक्रम में.
Thank you very much. It is indeed really an honor that ICSI Northeastern chapter has been invited by Doordarshan Kendra Guwahati. And we are here for dissemination of information about ICSI and career prospects and various other things, as has been said by sir. Since it will be a two-part program, so first part will be, we will limit it, but second part, we have many things to share. So that's all.
Absolutely, absolutely. We will definitely resume this journey and of knowledge and dissemination of information about company secretary. Alongside, we are extremely delighted and grateful to have with us on board in this particular studio C.S. Vishal Harlalka ji, and he is the past chairman, Northeast chapter of ICSI and practicing company secretary. We welcome you to the show.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting us and giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
So, Pradeep ji, आपसे हम जानना चाहेंगे, tell us something about ICSI. Is it an autonomous body? Is it a government organization? ये institution के बारे में आप जरा बताएं हमें.
See, ICSI, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, is a professional body that has been set up under an Act of Parliament, the Company Secretaries Act 1980. Yes. And in the company secretaries, we are providing quality educations to the students, upgradation of knowledge and information for the members. If I can say, we have around 67,000 members all over India and approximately around 2 lakh students. So we are pan-India basis, and ICSI functions in a 3-tier manner. जैसे like government होती है, central government, state government and local panchayats. तो ICSI का क्या है, head office is in Delhi and 4 regions. Our regions belong to the Kolkata, that is called Eastern India Regional Council. And we in the Northeast, there are 8 chapters in the Eastern India, and we are the only chapter in the entire 8 states of this region. So क्या करते हैं, chapters हमारे facility करते हैं students को career के opportunity के बारे में बताने के लिए जी, एंड मेंबर्स को अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ नॉलेज के लिए भी ये चीज शेयर होता है. बिल्कुल. वी ऑर्गेनाइज वेरियस सेमिनार्स, स्टडी सर्कल मीटिंग्स एंड वेरियस प्रोग्राम्स फॉर द मेंबर्स एंड अलोंग विथ फैसिलिटी फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स टू डेवलप देमसेल्फ एज द लीडर्स ऑफ द सोसाइटी एंड बिकम अ कंपनी सेक्रेटरी. दैट्स ऑल.
वेरी वेल सेड, वेरी वेल सेड. और कंपनी सेक्रेटरी या फिर कंपनी सचिव जो बोलते हैं, आडर टर्म इनका सिनोनिम कंप्लायंस ऑफिसर भी होता है और ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण एक भूमिका है, बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण एक पद है और इनमें जो दायित्व है वो बहुत प्रभावशाली भी होता है और बहुत भावपूर्ण भाव और अपने दक्षतापूर्वक काम करना होता है. और इसके साथ भी उनका और एक दायित्व होता है कि जो संस्था कंपनियां होते हैं उनका जो कार्यकाल होता है या फिर जो काम होते हैं वो सब कुछ कानून या फिर नियम अनुसार पालन करना होता है और प्रगति करना होता है. Isn't it? That's what would you like to add, Mr. Vishal Harlalka?
Absolutely. If we go into the legal term, company secretary is the key managerial person. So you can simply understand key managerial person, managerial one who manages the company. So company secretary is the key person, main managerial person who manages the company.
Absolutely.
So I can simply say that company secretary is a bridge between the company and the outside world. Suppose one of the investor, one of the shareholder, you have purchased the shares of Reliance Industries Limited. Now you want to know during the last financial year what is the turnover of Reliance Industries. How will you know? You can contact the company secretary of that company, or that company secretary will let you know that yes sir, this is our turnover. He will share the annual report of that company with the shareholders. So basically company secretary, what does the company secretary do? They are acting as key managerial person. They are basically the governance professional. Recently you have noticed that from last 5-7 years the entire world is promoting good governance practice, and our honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, he is always talking about good governance, good governance, good governance. So he is talking about governance in entire society. But we being the company secretary in the corporate, we are responsible for compliance of good governance. So who will ensure? It is the company secretary in the company who will ensure that company is complying with all the provisions of Companies Act, and that too in a transparent manner. There should be a transparency. This is the main purpose of main role of company secretary.
तो अभी तो पूरा ये जो जमाना है, ये दुनिया बहुत ही कॉर्पोरेट मुखी हो चुका है. दिस इज द होल कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, और कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में भी इनका भूमिका बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हो जाता है. तो इंडस्ट्री से क्या एक्सपेक्ट किया जा सकता है कंपनी सेक्रेटरी से? बिकॉज आई एम श्योर जो लोग देख रहे हैं एंड दोज हु आर एस्पिरेंट, वो जरूर जानना चाहेंगे कि अगर वो कंपनी सेक्रेटरीशिप को चूज करते हैं एज अ प्रोफेशन या फिर एज अ करियर इन फ्यूचर, व्हाट वुड देयर रोल बी एंड व्हाट वुड देयर इंपॉर्टेंस बी इन द मार्केट?
See, let me clarify you. Once you become a company secretary, there are two doors for you. Either you go into job or in practice.
Okay.
If you go in job, for example, in Assam, in Northeast, there are many PSUs, state government institutes, where company secretary are mandatorily required to be appointed under the Act, because the Act says so. So you have to appoint them. So multitude of opportunities are there. And again, secondly, for students, it depends upon person to person. Everyone becomes CS. अगर आपको टॉप में जाना है, so you have to work that much dedicatedly. आपको उतना पैशन दिखाना पड़ेगा CS के लिए, and you can become the top most position. Just like विशाल जी रिलायंस की बात बता रहे थे, तो कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज जो है वो बोर्ड मीटिंग में बैठते हैं विद द जो भी कंसर्न पर्सन होता है, चेयरमैन होता है, बी इट टाटा ग्रुप हो या किसी भी कंपनी का हो. अदरवाइज नो MBAs और नो आर्किटेक्ट और नो कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफिसर हु एवर मिट में भी वो बोर्ड मीटिंग्स में नहीं बैठ सकता है. सो वन ऑफ द एडवांटेज यू गेट टू डायरेक्टली डील विद द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द कंपनी.
बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स
एंड की मैनेजरियल पर्सन के अलावा भी वेरियस फंक्शंस होते हैं. लिएजनिंग का काम होता है, दे ऑल्सो लुक इन टू लिएजनिंग. एंड लिमिटलेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर देयर, बिकॉज आप कितना कर सकते हो. PR में भी है,
मतलब एक
HR में भी है. इट्स ऑल
क्रूशियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव
एंड ओपन फॉर एवरीथिंग.
वेरी ओपन एंडेड.
यस, आप कितना कर सकते हो ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है.
मतलब आपका वो हंगर और आपका टैलेंट और
ज़ील एंड पैशन दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट करता है.
बिल्कुल.
See, I want to add one more thing. In a simple language, if you want to understand what is the role of a company secretary, in a very simple language, सरकार जब कोई चलती है, सपोज हम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, सरकार चलती है. सरकार, हाउ डज अ गवर्नमेंट फंक्शन? एक चीफ सेक्रेटरी होता है, एक चीफ मिनिस्टर होते हैं. चीफ मिनिस्टर को कुछ भी पॉलिसी लानी होती है, with whom he takes the guidance, he takes from the chief secretary that sir, I want to introduce this policy, what is the data, what is the fact about the society, how to implement this, what are the rules, regulations, acts which we are required to comply. In the same way, suppose if we are in a company, board of directors wants to implement some, suppose they want to start some new business, so with whom they will take the guidance that how to implement that, what are the laws that will be applicable on our company. Suppose our company its registered office is in Guwahati, and they wants to start coal extraction business because Northeast is used in natural resources. They want to start coal business. In coal business, you must have heard there is some regulation because government has also imposed many restrictions that you have to extract this much of coal.
Absolutely.
So who will guide the board that what is the rules, what are the acts which are the company is required to comply? That company secretary will guide that, sir, these are the rules, this is the procedure, and we have to approach the government, we have to take these licenses, we have to take these permissions from the government, and we have to comply these rules. We have to file this annual return, this is the half-yearly return, we have to inform the government that this much of coal we have extraction. This is the main function of government.
Multitude of things are
tasks
there.
and
It's not
responsibilities.
limited to certain words, but it is very multitude in nature.
So इन सब के अलावा और भी कुछ प्रमुख गुण होना जरूरी होता है कंपनी सेक्रेटरी का, तो वो जवाब कौन देगा?
Absolutely, no problem. I will give the answer. इसमें क्या होता है, देखिए, when you are in job, you are in employment, you have to deal with board of directors, you have to deal with different departments of the company, because one company will have production department, one will have manufacturing department, one will have a sales team. So you have to deal with all the department. Then marketing department, while doing the marketing, there is some ethics, there is some rule, there is some laws you have to comply. You have to deal with marketing department. Then again, you have to deal with manufacturing department, because while manufacturing, you have to follow some government rules. Like you have to think about the employee of your company, laborers. So you have to deal with every department of your company. And again, if you are, suppose you are in practice, you have to deal with various department, you have to various departmental officers. Everybody has different kind of natures. Then again, you have different kinds of clients. Some clients, they always want the work, they always send us the work on last moment. Suppose you have received the work on last moment. How to deal with that work? You already have other works. You have to complete within due time. So you have to deal with different classes, different persons of the society.
Skillful और dexterous होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है.
And discipline is the most important aspect.
Okay. तो
because if you are not disciplined, if you are not performing, ethical standards is also the word. When you become a company secretary, it's not about whatever you are doing, but whatever you are doing, are you doing in an ethical manner also? Absolutely. That quality also a person must possess.
So all the aspirants who's watching right now the show, जितने भी इच्छुक प्रार्थी है, वो जरूर जानना चाहते हैं कि कौन-कौन परस्यू कर सकते हैं, और ICSI के ये जो कोर्स है, इसका कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर, ड्यूरेशन, फीस, स्कॉलरशिप और ये सब कुछ अवेलेबिलिटी के बारे में जरूर आप लोग जानना चाहोगे. तो चलिए अब जानते हैं इनसे ही. Who would like to answer?
Except for the arts stream, anyone can join the CS course. And after BCom also, when you join, since if you are joining after 12th, except for finance, fine arts, after 12th आप join कर सकते हो. इसमें CSET का एक एग्जाम होता है. CSET का एग्जाम होता है, and after graduation आप join कर सकते हो. मगर after graduation जब आपने join किया, then CSET is not mandatory. You can become directly आप executive program में enroll कर सकते हो. Because 3 steps. First step is CSET, second is executive, and third is professional. तो after graduation आप इसमें add कर सकते हो. And fee structure, like I would say, institute has a special hard corner, soft corner for the northeastern region. Just like in 2 years back, the fees, there was no fees to be enrolled.
Oh wow.
There was no fees. Entire India में जो fees है, and that fees also is very minimal. Suppose आप MBA करते हो, it may take you lakhs. You are doing doctor, अगर doctor बनना है,
in
the expenses, yes,
in crores.
I won't say in crores or whatever it may be. But आपको expenses होता है. So ये course अगर ऐसे भी बोला जाओ ना, middle class जो person है, उनके लिए सबसे suitable होता है, जिसको करियर में आगे जाना है, आगे लंबी ऊंचाइयों में जाना है, लंबी छलांग मारनी है, बट वो स्मॉल स्टेप्स के साथ.
ओके.
तो वो है. एंड एज ऑन डेट जो फीस है, ऑल ओवर इंडिया की जो फीस है, एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट की जो फीस है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट की फीस ऑल ओवर इंडिया की 50% है.
ओके.
अर्लियर इट वाज फ्री, नाउ इट इज 50%.
In 2017, in the entire Northeast, there was no fees.
Okay.
But recently, because when sometime there is no fees, the value of something decreases.
They take it for granted.
That's
Absolutely.
why it was
So
50%
it has
hiked.
been it is now 50%.
Okay, but still it's quite a huge rebate, I must
Because
say.
Yes.
if I talk about the quantum, you can complete your entire course. It will take around 3 years to complete one CS course. So there will be around 30 to 40,000 fees only. That will also include examination fees.
Very good, very
And
good.
also, this course is not only about theoretical aspects, because a student is mandatorily required to go for 15 months training, either under a practicing company secretary or a company that is registered under ICSI.
Act. Okay.
Registered with ICSI, not under Act.
Okay.
तो ये कोर्स आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है कि आप सीखो भी और कमाओ भी साथ साथ में, बिकॉज वेन यू आर डूइंग आर्टिकलशिप अंडर समथिंग यू आर ऑल्सो अर्निंग समथिंग वट एवर इट मे बी
Learn while you
in
earn.
the same way
Learn
like
while
a
you
doctor.
earn.
Like a
Yes.
doctor. First 2-3 years you study about MBBS, about doctors, and then you have to go for practical coaching.
Absolutely.
In the same way in ICSI, means after completing your executive level, you have to go mandatorily 21 months training. Earlier it was 15 months, now it
Yes.
is 21 months.
Yes,
So you
yes.
have to complete 21 months practical training. Now again you have two options. Either you can join, as Pradeep ji said, you can join in a practicing firm or you can join a company where there is permanent company secretary. That company secretary will guide you how to conduct board meeting, how to conduct AGM, how to write minutes, because every company after having a meeting, they will record their decisions. And there is specific means structure how to record that minutes. You
तो
have
मतलब
to-
drafting of the minutes of the meeting. and
apart
everything.
from,
Absolutely, absolutely.
apart from that, जो मैंने थियोरिटिकल एंड प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स बताया, स्टूडेंट्स को मैंडेटरीली कुछ एक प्रोग्राम्स भी करना पड़ता है
Wow,
फॉर देयर स्किल एनहेंसमेंट.
बहुत खूब.
Just like ODOP is one of the program, one day orientation program, and after when you become a company secretary, you have to do a MSOP.
Okay.
That is also a separate program. That is a 15-day program. So you get to मतलब you get to know the knowledge. आप जब मैं कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज जब आते हैं, so variety of कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज आते हैं, varieties of अपनी नॉलेज देते हैं. So स्टूडेंट्स को मेंटर से भी डायरेक्टली इंटरेक्शन होता है, एंड उनसे भी जो प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स और थियोरिटिकल एस्पेक्ट्स में जो छूट गया है, वो हमारे जो मेंटर्स आते हैं, एंड दैट इज ओनली नॉट फ्रॉम गुवाहाटी, ऑल ओवर इंडिया हमारे यहाँ पे मेंटर्स आते हैं.
Okay.
So you get to learn from the best.
You get
That
to learn
is the
from the
vision
professionals.
of
yes.
ICSI.
And
I
if we
believe.
talk about future vision or mission, recently our institute is starting 3 months residential training after completing the course.
Okay.
Because what is the basic difference you see between suppose we take the example of IS officer. Most of the IS officer you will see they are from very remote area, from village. You must have seen most of the IS officers are from Bihar or UP, where they are sharpened, where their quality gets sharpened. It is the residential training, 3 months training which they get. In the same way, ICSI is starting 3 months residential training where you will completely get the practical exposure. Because in 3 years of your course, during your study, you have learned theoretical. Now you have to go, after completing the training, you have to go practical. So we are starting 3 months residential program. And every member after passing CS course, mandatorily they are required to go 3 months training. And for this, we have opened our center of excellence in 4 regions. In Kolkata, Delhi, then Chennai, and Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, and Maharashtra, in Mumbai.
Different zones.
And yeah,
मतलब
in
different
all 4
directions.
zones.
And for to reciprocate, because this chapter is not only Guwahati chapter, it covers the entire northeastern region. So what we are doing is we are opening study centers across various regions.
Okay, that's absolutely
Just
nice.
like in a few days back, we opened a study circle at Nagaon and Hojai. So we have other study centers in all the state capitals of the entire 8 states.
Alongside in smaller cities
Yes,
as well,
yes.
study centers इन लोगों ने खोला है. अगर आपको दिलचस्पी है और अगर आप बहुत जानना भी चाहते हैं तो बने रहिए हमारे साथ. और इसी बीच आपने कहा है कि it incorporates a wide skill set, Pradeep ji. I would also like to ask one of the gentlemen कि इतने updated skill set के साथ ICSI has managed to produce professionals. So how have you been growing up with this challenging time and with this updated skills?
See, क्या होता है आफ्टर पासिंग CS एग्जाम, सपोज क्या होता है, अभी जैसे रिसेंटली एक रेरा एक्ट आया, सो वी हैव नॉट स्टडीड अबाउट रेरा, But what our basically our institute is doing, they are always coming up with short-term training programs.
Okay.
Short-term, like 15 months training, 30 days training, where we learn about this new notifications, new amendments, new acts, where we learn. So institute is regularly conducting training program where we can update ourselves. We can know about the latest amendment, latest notification, we can learn. And in all the chapters, all our branches, we have in entire India, we have 78 branches. All the branches are regularly conducting programs. Like they are regularly organizing seminars. So in seminar, what happens, we invite one of the best speaker, one who is expert in that subject. We invite them, they share their experiences, then we can also ask questions ki I am facing this practical difficulty, because sometimes what happens, everything is not written in the act. We find different kind of situations.
Absolutely.
So what happens when professional gathers together in a program on the same platform, they share their knowledge, their expertise. So we get to know ki yes, sometimes we get the idea from other professionals that yes, this is the system or this is the way we can go ahead. And this is the way we can solve our problem. So what happens, recently during Corona, we were regularly organizing webinars, and now we have again started physical programs.
Okay.
And today also we are having program from 4 to 8. And one of the Central Council member, then a person from Ministry of Corporate Affairs. We have Office of Ministry of Corporate Affairs in Guwahati. So we are inviting both the officers, senior most officers. One is regional director, who is looking after the entire region, and then the registrar of companies, who is responsible for registering the company.
So they are basically addressing the participants. Yeah.
Yes.
And they will share their experiences, and one expert speaker, she or he will be speaking on the topic.
That's
So
how
we
you
will
guys
share
are
our ideas.
updating yourself. All right.
Absolutely.
So another very important question is that the ICSI has joined, with many international bodies, right? So would you like to also throw some light into that area where, in your opinion, do you see any opportunities of the profession converging?
We have 5 overseas branches. One in USA, one in UK, one in Singapore, and one in Australia also.
Okay.
And recently, just few days back, we had a huge program at UAE.
Okay.
And it was since it was an international program, lot of international personalities from the corporate sector and the company secretaryship, the compliance officer, you call it, whatever its name may be, from the other company secretary, from the other department, they have also come. And it was a very brilliant program. And that's how we are promoting it, from local to national to international.
Wow. That's very good.
That is the vision that I think we have. Local is also important. See, just like local की बात कर रहा था, just like कल ICSI president sir आए थे, and they had a visit with the CM sir. So what we are proposed that कि एक ग्राम पंचायत का मॉडल हो. ICSI मतलब not only मतलब ग्रास रूट लेवल से भी जाना चाहती है, एंड हाईएस्ट ग्रास रूट लेवल की मैं बताता हूँ कि रिसेंटली जब मीटिंग हुई थी, तो एक ग्राम पंचायत कोड होता है. जैसे ग्राम पंचायत की मीटिंग होती है, तो कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज, व्हेन देयर इज अ मीटिंग, देन कंपनी सेक्रेटरी इज ऑलवेज देयर.
Okay.
Because there is a system how to record the discussion.
Yes,
absolutely.
Because as I told you, minutes, every meeting is to be recorded in a prescribed format. How to record the decision of the meeting? Because क्या होता है, मीटिंग के बाद में आपने क्या डिस्कशन किया, किसने क्या रेजोल्यूशन लिया, दैट इज टू बी रिकॉर्डेड इन अ स्पेसिफाइड फॉर्मेट. सो हु विल गाइड द ग्राम पंचायत पीपल? So we had a discussion with the CM sir that we are the professionals who can guide the people in the Gram Panchayat level, at the very root level, that how to record their minutes, how to hold the Gram Panchayat meetings. So CM sir, he was very positive. He took the things very positively, and he will start. He assured us that he will very soon start means implementing and introducing company secretary on that level.
Okay.
So we are talking from, as Pradeep ji said, we are talking from root level to international level.
ओके सो वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम और आप लोगों से बातें करते करते मतलब वक्त कैसे चला गया पता ही नहीं चला. बहुत कुछ है और भी बहुत सारे सवाल है. आप उन सवालों का जवाब हम आने वाले एपिसोड में जरूर देंगे, लेकिन यहीं पे हम समाप्त करेंगे. लेकिन उससे पहले प्रदीप जी, मैसेज टू ऑल दी एस्पिरेंट्स वाचिंग इन वेरी शॉर्ट मैसेज टू देम.
Yes. So, dear students, this course is among the best course that the country have. The best.
Absolutely.
It is among the cheapest course in terms of money. And ICSI, आप CS बनते हो, you not become a CS, you become the leaders of the society.
True.
So, if you are aspiring to become the leaders of the society, this is the best course for you. And there are multitude of opportunities out there that we will be discussing in part B.
Absolutely.
So that's all that I have to say.
थैंक यू सो मच प्रदीप जी, थैंक यू सो मच विशाल जी. बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you,
और
thank
प्रिय दर्शक, यहीं पे हम आज का ये एपिसोड समाप्त करते हैं. मिलेंगे आपको अगले एपिसोड में और बहुत सारे सवाल है, वो सारे सवालों का जवाब भी हमें मिलेंगे. एक चीज तो जरूर कहना है कि दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन इज इन्वॉल्व्स अ लॉट ऑफ रोल्स, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, फंक्शंस एंड प्रोस्पेक्ट्स. करियर प्रोस्पेक्ट इज अमेजिंग. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, प्लीज ज्वाइन इन एंड बी द लीडर ऑफ द सोसाइटी एज दे हैव सेड. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विथ अस.
Thank you.
Thank you.